This is the Lorentz Force Interactive Calculator, which computes the electromagnetic force on charged particles. Let's examine the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Calculate Total Lorentz Force, Calculate Magnetic Force Component, Calculate Electric Force Component, Calculate Required Magnetic Field, Calculate Required Electric Field, or Calculate Particle Velocity. For this demonstration, we'll use Calculate Total Lorentz Force. Next, enter your particle charge in coulombs, velocity in meters per second, magnetic field in Tesla, electric field in volts per meter, and angle theta in degrees. The angle represents the orientation between velocity and magnetic field vectors. Additional fields include target force in newtons, magnetic force in newtons, and electric force in newtons. For our example, let's input a particle charge of 1.602 e⁻19 coulombs, velocity of 1.0 e6 meters per second, magnetic field of 0.5 Tesla, electric field of 1000 volts per meter, and an angle of 90 degrees. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your total Lorentz force, magnetic force component, electric force component, force direction, and any relevant warnings about your input parameters. Find the link in the description below.